Okay. Hi guys. Today I'm at my son's house and he's gonna jerk some pig shoulders. These are pig shoulders and he sliced them up. On here, as you can see, the seasoning. He has jerk seasoning and it's this one. He's using spur tree jerk. Never heard of it, but this is. He says it's very good. Then there's he's using barbecue sauce. I guess you can use any barbecue sauce. And he's using also adobo seasoning. Little black pepper, salt, and the good old Lawry's seasoning salt. And he put some, we said black pepper. Anything else? Pimento seed. We put some pimento seed in here. And then, you stir this all up. Stir it all up so every part get some of the different seasoning. This is the pimento that we use. Actually, we buy it at the store. So you can also get it there, or if you have your own, those people, you guys in Jamaica, you can get everything whenever you want it. And these are big slices. Look at that. Big slices. And we're going to put it in the oven. You could put this on a barbecue outside or whatever, but we're going to oven roast these, or oven make them in the oven. But it's barbecue pork or jerk barbecue pork, so whichever seasoning you want to put on it, you put on it. Guys, I've been missing for a while because we're moving all over the place and I didn't get to make video. So I thought I'd make this quick video for you while we stir everything up and get all the seasoning in it. And when it's, as we go along, I'll show you the process. We're going to put it in the oven now. And with all the seasoning. And we don't put any like onion or anything. You put a little garlic powder. I don't remember if I mentioned that. And any seasoning you have. And that's that. So I'll show you the next step when we go to the next step. We're laying them out. My son is laying them out in the containers. You can use metal, glass, anything. And he's just gonna lay them out in these containers, and then we're going to put them in the oven. So guys, I'm taking a look. Just open the oven and taking a look at the pork. Jerk barbecue pork, whatever you want to call it. Lots of jerk seasoning on it. And it's halfway ready. It's cooking. But I just opened the oven and I thought I wanted you to take a peek with me. Alright? When it gets up, when we take it off, I will come back and show you what it looks like when we're cutting it up. Juicy. Good. Stop. So guys, the pork is cooked. See all of these pieces that we did. So I'm just going to slice up a few pieces to show you that it's ready. It's soft. And you can actually take your hands and break it apart, It's well cooked, see? Yeah. You can just break it apart. And I'm going to give a little taste. And it's good. I like the skin actually. You get a piece of skin. Oh, it's not cutting so easy. Very tasty. Spicy. Not too hot. It's delicious. Really good. Try this for yourself. Just put some seasoning on your meat or whatever part of your pork or beef or whatever. Chicken. Season it up and cook it like this. Okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.